What is self-care? Self-care is the process of taking care of your physical, emotional and spiritual needs. The goal is to take care of yourself so that you can be the best version of yourself possible. This includes eating well, exercising, sleeping well, drinking enough water and getting enough rest. It also includes having a positive outlook on life and being able to see the silver lining in every situation. Why is self-care so important? The importance of self-care is not always obvious to people. We often take for granted that we have a right to live our life and that we can be happy. We may even feel guilty if we think about the fact that we are not taking care of ourselves. In reality, we are not supposed to live in a constant state of guilt. When we do not take care of ourselves, we create a negative cycle of stress, worry and physical ailments. Self-care helps us to feel better about ourselves and it helps us to get better results in our daily activities. When we feel good about ourselves, we are more likely to achieve our goals. This is a great way to stay motivated. We can also improve our health by taking care of ourselves. Self-care is important for everyone, but especially for busy people. It's a good idea to take a few minutes to take care of yourself every day. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just taking a few minutes to relax can help you to feel better. The benefits of self-care include, it helps us to 1. Relax and unwind. 2. Feel better about yourself. 3. Learn to be more comfortable with yourself.